Guys, Squizzle. Um, Tonight I'm going to be picking this Pacific lock. I think it's model 100G. Not really sure, but it is cut. Somebody couldn't get into their locker. I think they forgot their key, so I get a free lock to pick. This is a dead core lock. So it's different. There's no spring pressure that pushes back, so it's a little bit more difficult to pick up. At least it was for me. But the one thing I did learn from this lock was tension control, because it's a little bit difficult when you first start. To find that right tension, just light tension. So it helped me out with other locks. So today I'm going to pick this for you with my southward short hook and bent tension wrench. And let's get started. Okay, you see immediately there's a false set right here. So, if I can find the right pin, I can show you a really good counter rotation that this lock has. And you can definitely feel a false set on a dead core. It is like you can't miss it. So. And you can see, as I push on this pin, get counter rotation, and the lock's open. So, thanks for watching. Don't do anything illegal. Don't pick locks that aren't yours. Don't pick locks that you rely on. And have fun.